Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. So anyways, on the monthly, I mean, if you've seen my videos, you've already heard this, but I think it could either be the end of a wave 5, and we're now in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going down like that, which would take out the low of wave 4, or the other possibility is that this is actually just a correction to the last 5 waves up, and this is an ABC. Like I've been saying, either scenario, it's impulsive, corrective, and impulsive. So at this stage in the pattern, it is definitely not important to know the difference. Going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, very impulsive down, either wave A or wave 1. I still think this is corrective up for either B or 2. I still think that at some point it's going to start a push down for either a wave 3 or a wave C. The trading strategies are exactly the same for wave B or wave 2, which is looking for longs on shorter time frames until we identify the end of this correction. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this is very, very clear, especially looking at all yen pairs, that this right here is the bottom of either the A or 1, and that this is actually like a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is what I think is going to happen. Because I do believe, because this is a lower low, that this is a expanding flat. Most expanding flats go to the 178, 161.8 for either a wave 2 or a wave B. Either scenario, it doesn't matter whether it's a B or 2 because it's exactly the same pattern. So going down to the 4 hour time frames. On the 4 hour time frame, definitely still making higher highs, higher lows. Still no break of structure. Still all higher highs. Still looking for longs because the trend is your friend. So definitely still only looking for logs on pullbacks. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last 5 ways up. Now, this to me looks like it could be a wave A and a wave B, and it looks like it could go down again for a wave C. But sometimes what we think is a wave B is not a wave B. It just keeps on continuing the uptrend, especially when you're in a wave 3 on the higher time frames. So I would definitely be looking for logs. I mean, we got a nice 50% Fibonacci bounce. You could even argue that this is 1, 2, 3 waves down. So be a little bit cautious because it does look like it could go down to make a wave C before it goes up. But even if it does go down and take out these lows, the only thing that's going to prove that this trend is not up is taking out this low. As long as it doesn't take out that low right there, I will be doing nothing but looking for buys on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.